This is the Quaser Workpiece Exhibition. Chapin Scott Routh is a man who dislikes being touched, but he despises rough craftsmanship even more. For someone like him, making him stop in his tracks isn't easy. It appears he's rather pleased. That faint smile might just be the finest proof of all. But the real test is only just beginning. An exhibition is not merely a display. It is the accumulation of a creator's experience, a transmission of quality and meticulous detail. And when Chapin Scott Routh pauses, gazing intently at the process of making, one might think, aha, he's just about to say something.